Hello everybody. Today let's make ice cream. This we are doing with simple two ingredients, banana and milk. We are trying to make all natural banana ice cream in just with a very little effort. For this I'm taking 3 small size bananas because I'm just making 2 cups for now. Now first I'll slice this and spread it on a plate. Very simple process and simple two ingredients. We just need to have banana and milk at home and we can make ice cream. It will be super taste, nothing less than what we get in the market. And we all know that banana is extremely very good fruit with lot of vitamins. Nutritional values is really good, lot of fiber and a lot of potassium, and this will help in reducing constipation, improve immunity. The benefits of banana are just endless. The flavor, as I already mentioned, will be really good, and the process is very simple. See, we have to make it into slices, something like this. Not necessary it has to be so thin, but try to make as thin as possible. And let's leave this plate in the deep freezer for about 2 hours minimum to up to 5 hours you can keep. Now this is almost after 3 hours. I'll show it to you. See, it will be something like this. If the pieces are not coming out, just leave it out for a minute or two, or you can remove the banana chunks with a spoon. Now I'm adding all this to the mixie jar, adding a bit of a little milk. This is something like around 50 ml for 3 bananas. Please add the milk according to the size of banana that you take. See, this is after grinding after a minute. Another 30 seconds, it's something like this. After 2 minutes, it's something like this. We need to blend more after 2.5 minutes, and maybe up to 3 to 4 minutes you can actually blend it, and the texture will be as perfect as we get it in the market. Now I think this is perfect. Now I divided this into 2 parts because one I'm making a different flavor with chocolate. I added a pinch of cocoa powder here because this will be chocolate banana flavor. This is for my son, he likes chocolate flavor, so I just added cocoa powder. In fact, when we are blending itself, we can add cocoa powder there along with banana, or in case if cocoa powder is not ready at home, we can even add something like dairy milk chocolate. Maybe a small 20 rupee or 10 rupee dairy milk, 10 rupee dairy milk chocolate is enough for this quantity. But I want all natural banana flavor and my son prefers chocolate flavor, so that's the reason I did it I just put it in 2 cups. I just divided. Now I'm covering it with a wrap. Now I leave this in deep freezer again for about 1 to 1.5 hours. We can store this up to 7 days. Now this is after 1.5 hours. Now I'll show it to you. One is all natural banana flavor and the other one is chocolate banana ice cream. The texture is perfect. I know taste will be awesome. Just try it. It is so simple and very healthy. Just because we say that we want to eat healthy food doesn't mean that we miss out on any of these ice cream kind of stuff. This we can very easily make at home and enjoy all natural banana ice cream. No additives, no added sugars, no added flavors. This is all natural, super healthy and super tasty. For quick, healthy and tasty recipes, subscribe to my channel Healthy Plate by Madhavi. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll come back again with another healthy, quick and